Hello guys, my name is Charles Randy Ampah and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the DCA on the digital mixer boards. But before I start, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And also click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Also, please don't forget to share, comment, and also like. I'll be very pleased if you comment, if you like, and also share my videos to other people who haven't yet subscribed to my channel so that they get notified and also get to watch the new exciting videos I drop weekly. Thank you very much, and let's start the video. So guys, like I said earlier, today's video is about the DCA, and it is an acronym for Digitally Controlled Amplifier. A lot of mixer boards these days have this DCA in them, and it has become a very helpful tool, if I might say, because it is something that has come to help a lot of engineers to control a group of faders. So we'd like to cite an example here. So let's say in a situation where you have about 25 inputs. Out of these 25, you have 10 of the input channels for drums, 4 for keyboards, 7 for backing vocals. And a situation where you have to control this input channels or the faders of these input channels with just your 2 hands and 10 fingers will be very, very difficult to do. So that's where the DCA comes in. The DCA allows you to control a group of faders just using a single fader. Depending on the mixer board you'll be using, whether it happens to be M32, QU-32, RCF M20X, the Behringer Wing, they all have the DCA tool in them. Some have 4, others 16, others 8. So depending on the brand and model you are using, it will determine the DCA, number of DCA you also be having. So with the QU-32, it has 4 DCA channels. So you can decide to assign the 10 input faders of the drum to DCA 1 and the 7 backing vocals to DCA 3 and your 4 keyboards to DCA 2. So that when you have to control the drums, where the drums are loud, you have to use just a single fader. I believe you are getting what I'm saying. So the DCA is used to control a group of faders on the mixer board. So guys, I'll be showing you how to assign a group of faders to a DCA 1 to be precise, on the Allen Heath QU-32. So when you hit on select of the channel you want to assign, then you go to the routing, then you go to the DCA, you go to the mute or DCA group assign. So as you can see, I have my drums to be 1, keyboards to be 2, BVs 3, then wireless microphone 4. So I'm going to assign all my drum channels to the DCA 1. So when I hit on select of channel 1, as you can see, it's kick. That's channel 1. I hit on the button for it to light green and it shows in. That means I have assigned it. When I go to the 2, I do the same 3 hi-hat, 4 rack tom, 5 tom 1, 6 tom 2, 7 floor tom, 8 overhead left, then 9 overhead right. So that's how you assign faders to or channels to a DCA. So with this, I can work with this fader over here, this DCA 1 over here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. So if anything I want to do using the DCA 1 or the group, the drum channels, I can use just this fader to control it. So that is it for now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like, share this video to a lot of people so that they also benefit from what was taught today. I believe you've subscribed, so see you.